The day the Andrew slaughtered these young girls will cry. These two girls will cry in the spirit world. They will cry. They will know that they came earlier. This is not the right time they're supposed to go to this spirit world. They will cry. They will cry. Because they will know that this is not the right time they're supposed to depart from this planet Earth. They will cry. The other girl will tell her friend, why do you introduce me to this man called Andrew? Why? Two of them will be crying. The other one will tell her, I don't know. If I know that this man is into this sacrifice ritual, I will not go and I will not call you. Look at where we are today. They will be crying. The journey of eternity. All of a sudden, they will see that man called Andrew who slaughtered them on the earth. They will see that man, and Andrew will be crying himself. Andrew will be crying. The two young girls will be crying. Three of them will be crying. They will say to Andrew, why do you make us to come this place early? This is not the right time we're supposed to come this underworld. This is not the right time that we're supposed to depart from this earth. Why do you make us to come here early? They will cry, and Andrew will be crying, asking them forgiveness. How can they forgive themselves? How? All of them have departed from this earth. The journey of eternity. They will crying. But who will forgive who? Who will forgive who? They are crying. They will cry, but their cry will not bring them back to life. The youngest will cry, but their cry will not bring them to life. Andrew himself will cry, ask those girls to forgive him, but their crying will not bring them back to life. The journey of eternity. Andrew will say to them, if I know, I will not slaughter you people. If I know, I will not buy two of you. If I know, I will not join this secret cult where I join. If I know, I will not be involved in this dirty business. But it has been too late for him. Most of you that are into this evil, you are doing evil. One day you will leave this world. You will cry, and it will be too late for you. And these two girls will cry. Say, if they know, they will not be involved into hookup. But it has been too late for them. The truth is that all of us on this earth must leave this world one day. Either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We must leave one day. Either on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. We must leave this world. But the most important thing is that when you leave this world, when will you spend your eternity? When will you spend your eternity? There is life after death. It's very important to make peace with Jesus Christ, so that when you leave this world, you will have eternal life and you will spend your eternity in heaven. Let me stop this message here. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagba. Shalom.